So we're halfway through our financial year and we've already beaten last year's figures on turnover for the year. From the Trade Mastermind, it's taken 4 months to get where we are now. So yeah, this month obviously we've got the marketing going, the ads, now they're all coming in. We had 15 leads come through, we got 2 orders out of that, £18,000 average order value. So yeah, we never did any marketing, we never looked at any of our figures. We used to run things and then at the end of the month think, well, why have we not made any money? It's been brilliant to actually follow everything, know where we've been going wrong, correcting it. It's massive like, wow, and then you end up want to put more in because you know you're going to get more back. I used to be working on the tools thinking that was the way to earn the money for the company, but now realising that that's not the only way to earn the money. So stepping back off the tools and being able to do the paperwork in working hours rather than finishing work and then doing it in the evenings and spending less time with the family and or doing it at weekends. Now I've got my time back and we're earning more money. You know, everybody needs to be taught how to run a business. They just think they know to do it, but they don't. Getting the videos off the back of this, a lot of people messaging me, everyone was thinking it's a scam, but then when I tell them what it's done for me and where I've come from, it's a massive eye-opener, and I'll give my advice, what I've learned from here, to them, that everyone should be just doing it.